Hi, I'm Ryan from Sunshower Online. I'm here at the Sunshower shop and you're watching Sunshower TV. You've got to connect your irrigation system to your water supply somehow, and that's why we made our tap connection kit. So I'm going to show you what it comes with. Almost every garden has one of these, say almost, because sometimes they're a different size, but usually, particularly in Victoria, they're this size. And you're going to find these in the garden everywhere. So what we've done is we've made a tap connection kit that you can put behind the tap and you can easily and safely install an irrigation system. Make sure with your local guides you're allowed to do it, and otherwise get a licensed plumber to do the job. And if you're a plumber, this is a great kit for you. So what you would normally do is turn the water off to the property and you can unscrew this tap. I repeat, turn the water off to the property so you don't get wet. Take that off. Now the first two pieces you're going to get are the 15mm nipple and the 15mm T. Now we're going to screw these together, but of course, because it's a pressure situation, we're going to be using Teflon tape. Make sure you watch our video on Teflon tape on how to do it properly, particularly in this situation where it's under pressure all the time. So check out that video if you haven't already. Of course, Teflon comes in the kit. So what we're going to do is imagine Teflon on all of these threads, and we will screw together our 15mm nipple with our T, and then to isolate the irrigation system we would add a 15mm ball valve. We have the 15mm M&F ball valve right here. Screw that on, of course, Teflon again, and then we would screw on our 15mm by 20mm brass nipple, again Teflon. And the last piece we have is our backflow, our dual check valve. Very important to prevent contamination. Again, check your local guides that you're using the appropriate backflow. Certainly don't want to break the law. And this is what we have here is a dual check valve, commonly the accepted backflow for any irrigation connection. So we'd screw that together. Again, make sure you're qualified to do it. Teflon on everything. And the way it would go is where your tap originally was is screwed right here. So where we used to have our tap, we now have it moved, and we have our outlet with a valve to turn on and off and a backflow to prevent water coming in back into the mains. And that's it. If you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.